Okay, stop scrolling for 1 second. You've been using AI wrong, like actually wrong. You type, write me an essay or help me code this, and you get back this boring, generic, useless answer. And you blame the AI? Nah, it's not the tool, it's the prompt. And in the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna hand you the exact formula that fixes it. Forever. See, most people talk to AI like it's a search bar. One line, no context, no direction. And then they're shocked when it gives them something flat and generic. Claude isn't a search bar. It's more like a really smart intern. One who can do amazing work, but only if you actually tell it what you need. So here's the trick. 5 letters. C-R-A-F-T. C is for context. Tell it who you are and what you're doing. Not write code. I'm a student building a Python project for my portfolio. R is for role. Tell the AI who to be. Act like a senior developer. Act like my toughest critic. Suddenly the answer sounds like an expert, not a robot. A is for ask. Say exactly, specifically what you want. Not, help me with this. Write a 60-second video hook, or find the bug in this function. F is for format. How do you want it back? Bullet points? A table? Under 100 words? Tell it. T is for tone. Casual? Formal? Funny? Say it. And watch the whole answer transform. Stack all 5 together and you go from getting this to getting exactly what you needed. First try. I used this literally yesterday. Instead of typing, write me a script, I said, you're a scriptwriter for Tech YouTube. I'm making a video for students on prompting AI. Write a 60-second hook, casual tone, like talking to a friend. 30 seconds later, exactly what I needed. Ready to film. No back and forth, no rewriting 5 times. That's the difference between a vague prompt and a crafted one. Pun intended. So next time you open Claude or ChatGPT or literally any AI, don't just type a random line and hope. Use craft. Context, role, ask, format, tone. Once you know this, you cannot go back to prompting like everyone else. And if this just saved you hours of frustrating back and forth with AI, hit subscribe because this is exactly the kind of stuff we break down every week on this channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. Seize your